Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. So in this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can claim your free domain that you get from Hostinger. So as you know, once you take a Hostinger package or the plan for 12 months, you get a free domain with that and you have a certain time to claim it. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. So first and foremost, just open this Hostinger on your browser. Just visit their official website and make sure you log in with the email that you have registered or bought the pack. I'll just hide out this personal information. So next off, once you visit this page, which is hpanel, the cPanel for Hostinger, you will see this free domain option here. So you can click here on learn more and understand what's the offer, or you just click on claim domain, and here you'll enter the domain. I'll enter a random domain just to see if it's available, and click on check availability. It's available, and just click on claim domain, and that's it. Just fill out the forms, and you here the most important thing is you get this domain for $0 for the first year. However, the renewals will be expensive, so just be mindful of that. And other than that, you can claim your free domain and start building your projects, your business, for whatever purpose that you're trying to use this website. So that's how you claim a Hostinger free domain with a Hostinger plan. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.